On today's IRS tax refund update, we will take a look at the latest developments, including the next round of tax refunds scheduled for release this week. And from there, we will recap those ongoing refund delays, including those impacted by the 570 and 971 tax transcript codes, which could be as a result of items including wage and income verification, or ID verification, as well as those impacted by refund freeze code 810, and what may be the best way to get assistance on your particular tax issue. Starting off with the latest, as the next round of tax refunds is scheduled to be transmitted and released by the IRS on July 17th, as confirmed by the refund status results and tax transcripts seen here. Now, if you are part of the latest refund batch, do allow up until July 22nd for that to post to your bank account if you opted to receive a direct deposit refund. And as an additional reminder, not all refund status results will update before the refund is scheduled for release, so make sure to check your tax transcripts and locate the 846 refund code to confirm you are part of this latest refund batch. And as an additional reminder, your refund will not be sent out before that 846 code appears on your tax transcript. Now, moving on to those ongoing delays, many of our viewers continue to report seeing either the 570 or 971 tax transcript codes, or a combination of the codes like seen here. And if you see both of these codes with the same date, that means the IRS has autocorrected or resolved any potential issue or reviewed the tax return in question, and that any refund due to the tax filer will be cleared for processing in the next several weeks. If the codes appear with separate dates, it means the IRS is continuing to work on the issue or review the tax return, and that a notice has been sent out to you, which should arrive in the mail by the date listed next to the 971 code. Now, as we have stated previously, the 570 code could appear on your tax transcript for a variety of reasons, including the IRS computer system detected a potential issue with the tax return, or it has been set aside for further examination or review, including wage verification. We have been seeing in the last week a significant increase, especially among those in particular who have been getting assistance from their congressional representative's office, that the IRS is now requesting wage documentation to prove what the tax filer has been entered on their tax return for accuracy. Now, the documentation in particular being requested include W-2 and 1099 forms for income earned last year, and a huge increase of 1099-R form requests for those who withdrew from their retirement accounts. Now, while the issuers of these forms, whether it is employers or financial institutions, also send copies to the IRS, what usually happens is there is a delay in the IRS processing those forms, which means they cannot verify the information you submitted on your tax return for accuracy, which leads to additional delays. And as a result, we have been seeing an increase of the 12C letter as seen here, which is sent by the IRS requesting certain wage documents from income forms, retirement distributions, and even gambling winnings. For those who receive these forms, it is important to immediately send them back to the IRS so that processing can continue on your tax return. However, do note the turnaround time is around 6 to 8 weeks after they get the documentation back before you should expect to receive that refund. For those viewers encountering the 810 refund freeze code on their tax transcripts seen here, this could be due a variety of reasons that will not be explained on your tax transcript, and the list of causes includes something as simple as the need to complete ID verification, examination of the tax credits being claimed, or self-employment income being reported in addition to verification of income, or the return being flagged by the tax shelter deduction team, or frivolous return program. We also are continuing to hear from viewers that they are reporting that reaching out to their congressional representative or senator's office has been helpful in getting a resolution or at least movement when it comes to their tax return delays. And now, with IRS phone representatives oftentimes not providing any resolution, and the taxpayer advocate still not taking new cases, this does seem the best option for those looking at getting assistance when it comes to their tax refund delays. Now, to locate your local congressional representative, visit the official House of Representatives website through the link provided here. Let us know in the comment section below about your ongoing tax issue. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on the thumbs up and subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.